Still struggling to run Flutter on Windows? Let's fix that in the next few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Android Studio the right way for Flutter development on Windows. No confusion, no error. First of all, open any browser. Here we will search for Android Studio Download. The first website will be the Android Studio show. And as soon as we click here, it will show us a version. It may be that I am getting it and you are not getting this version. You can watch this video later. So there's no issue with it. It keeps updating. We will check it and download it. Open a new tab on the browser. We will search for Flutter SDK, and it will take us to the Flutter website. We will tap here, and it is showing us its version. The latest version of Flutter SDK, which will be stable, will be shown here. Select Windows here, and here we have to select the stable version. As soon as we select it, both these softwares will start downloading. I already have both files downloaded, so I will skip it here. Here I will go to my download folder, in which both my files are present. I will click here on Android Studio. Here, its initialization will start. Remember that while setting up Android Studio, your network should be stable and connected. Otherwise, your files may be missing, because of which your Android Studio will not work properly. Here, we will next it, and let Android Virtual Device be checked, because we will need a virtual device. And here, we will next it. After completing it, Android Studio will run. And here we will finish it. Here, Android Studio will be ready. We will next it, and the standard setting will remain. And we will accept the SDK, its setting. And from here, we can see the process. It depends on the speed of your internet, how much time it will take. Anyway, your network should be connected, which downloads a lot of files during this time. And after that, we will finish it here. And after finishing it, we will have the next step. We will add the plugin. To add the plugin, we will go to the plugin and install Dart and Flutter plugins. We have to search both plugins in the marketplace. After doing these two, as soon as we come back to Flutter, it will be installed. After completing it, it will give us the option to restart the IDE. As soon as we click here, our Android Studio will start, and I will go back to my download folder. I will extract the Flutter SDK file, and in C drive we will make a folder with the name of SRC, and we will paste it in it. Okay, we have to copy the path of its being from here. We will search here, Environment. Here, its path will be set. We will set its path in the environment, Flutter and Dart path. And here we will go to the environment setting. We will select the path and edit it. New. If we want to add new, we will add new here. And after that, we have to copy the path of the bin, cache, and Dart SDK bin from here. And we will go back to the same environment setting. And here we will select New and paste the path. And we will OK it. That's it. Our work is now complete for Flutter SDK path. When we start creating a new Flutter project, we have to verify that the path of Flutter and Dart should be correct. The path of Flutter SDK should be OK. We don't need the path of its bin. It doesn't provide us the SDK. We need the path of Flutter and Dart SDK folder. And here we will next it. And after next, our project will be ready. We can do some setting here. For example, we can check the name of the project, path, and whatsoever. So far, we have done a lot of installation of our Android Studio. I will click on the setting here. After going inside the SDK Manager, we will see SDK Tools here. In SDK Tools, we have to select two options, NDK and Android SDK License File. We will check it here. and as soon as we apply it, these files will automatically download. After the download is complete, we have also completed the installation here. Now we will go to the command line. We will search Flutter Doctor here. As soon as we select Flutter Doctor, all our settings of Flutter will be shown here. We are shown 2 warnings and 1 issue here. There is no issue here. When we want to run the Flutter app on the desktop, we install the Video Studio. If there are network resources, when we install them on GitHub and log in, then this issue is also solved. The 3rd warning is on the 1st. I will copy a command here. Flutter Doctor Android license. I will copy it from here and paste it here and enter it. And it will ask us to write Y and enter it. And we will accept all its licenses. After doing this, when we do Flutter Doctor again, our first exception is solved. And this is our necessity. The other 2 warnings are not necessary for us. Here, our Flutter installation is complete. Now we will create an emulator. This is my already connected mobile, but we will go to the Create Virtual Device here. After selecting it, we have to select an image from here. Any Play Store can do it. No issue. After this, we will go to the API level. We will click on the Show All drop-down, and we will select an API from here. If your PC has a low budget and low specification, then you will try to select an API below 30 volts. Otherwise, you can also fire. No issue. After that, we will select it from here. The download option is showing us. As soon as I clicked on the download option, its downloading has started. As soon as it is installed, our AVD will be ready. You only need to do this once. If you want to change the API, you will have to download this new API file again. Otherwise, many of your devices are made on the same API. For example, if you want to set a small screen mobile, you can use the same API. Our emulator is ready here. Our setup is complete to use the environment of Flutter. I hope you have understood. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment box. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much.